Hello everyone. Today we will start a new chapter, blood relation. Now blood relation is very important chapter whether you are preparing for the government job or corporate job. You will get at least 2 questions of blood relation in every examination. Now how we will solve the question of blood relation? So first of all we will have to prepare a diagram or tree of the blood relation. After that, you can easily solve the question of blood relation. Now, while making a diagram, tree of the blood relation, we will divide all the generation in 4 parts. Now, in the first part, in first generation, we will put our grandfather, grandmother. Now, in the first generation, we will put grandfather, grandmother. Now, after that, now in the second generation, there will be a father, mother, uncle, and aunt. Now, in the third generation is our generation. Here, we means brother, sister, cousin. Now, in the fourth generation, there will be a son, daughter, niece, nephew. Now, all the generation we will divide into 4 parts. First generation, there will be a grandfather, grandmother. Second generation, father, mother, uncle, aunt. Third generation, brother, sister, cousin. Fourth generation, son, daughter, niece, and nephew. For the male, we will take a sign positive. For the female, we will take the sign is negative. For the male, we will take a sign is positive. For the female, we will take sign is negative. Now to represent the relation for brother, sister, we can say for the sibling. For the sibling, we will take single-headed arrow. A can be a brother or sister of B. B can be a brother or sister of A. Single-headed arrow. For spouse, married couple, we will take double-headed arrow. X can be a husband, wife of Y. Y can be a husband and wife of X. For brother, sister, sibling, we will take single-headed arrow. For married couple, spouse, we will take double-headed arrow. Now, so you have to remember all these things. Sometimes they will ask the question about paternal and maternal, uncle, auntie, whatever. Now, sometimes they ask maternal uncle means brother of your mother, brother of your mother. It's called maternal uncle. Paternal uncle means brother of your father. Clear? Maternal is used for your mother. Paternal is used for your father. The relation which is related to your mother, it's called maternal. The relation is the relation of your father is called paternal. Maternal grandfather means the father of your mother. Paternal grandfather means the father of your father. Clear? Now you have to remember all these things while solving the question of blood relation. First of all, you have to create the generation. If it is given A is the father of B, how will we represent? A is the father. Now the generation of A will be higher than B. We will write like that. A is the father. Father means positive. Clear? A is the father of B. Now B can be a son, a daughter of A. Clear? Now for the and like that. C is the grandfather of D. How will we represent? C is the grandfather. First of all, D. D father. After D father, there is a father of C. C is the grandfather. So we will take positive. Now we can say C is the grandfather of D. There is a one generation gap in between C and D. There is a father. Father of D and son of C. Clear? So you have to remember all these things while solving the question of blood relation. First generation, there will be grandfather, grandmother. After that, father, mother, uncle, aunt. After that, brother, sister, cousin. After that, son, daughter, niece, and nephew. For the male, we will take positive. For the female, we will take negative. Brother, sister, sibling, we will represent by single-headed arrow. Spouse, married couple, we will represent by double-headed arrow. Maternal uncle means brother of your mother. Paternal uncle means brother of your father. A is father of B, we will represent like that. C is the grandfather of D, we will represent like that. Now, is that clear to everyone? Now, we will solve some question based on blood relation. Question number 1. Deepak is the brother of Ravi. Deepak is the brother. So, the generation of Deepak and Ravi will be the same. They will exist in the same generation because there is a brother. So, we will write Deepak is the brother of Ravi. Now, here is sign of positive. Rekha is the sister of Atul. No relation is Rekha and Atul. Rekha is a sister, but there is no relation of Deepak and Ravi. Now after that, Ravi is the son of Rekha. Ravi is son. So Rekha will become on one generation up there Ravi. There will be a Rekha. Now Rekha is the sister of Atul. The generation of Rekha and Atul will be the same. So Rekha negative, Atul will be there. So there is a Deepak, Ravi, Rekha and Atul. And we have to find how is Deepak related to Rekha. What is the relation of Deepak with respect to Rekha? Here's the Deepak, here's the Rekha. Ravi is the son of Rekha. And Deepak is the brother of Ravi. Means Ravi and Deepak will be the son of Rekha. Clear? Now, by applying this diagram, a tree, you can solve every question. So, there will be a son. Clear? So, Deepak will be the son of Rekha. Now, come to the next question. Question number 2. B is the brother of A. B is the brother. B is the brother of A. S is the sister of B. B is the brother. S is sister. Negative. E is the brother of D. Okay. D is the daughter of A. Now, B is the brother of A. S is the sister of B. E is the brother of D. D is the daughter of A. Now, D is the daughter of A. So, it will be downward. E is the brother of D. E is the brother. F is the father of S. F is the father of S. Here will be the F is the father, one generation up. Then the uncle of E is, and we have to find who is the uncle of E. E is there. Now, D and E are the siblings. Clear? A is either be a father या mother, because the gender of A is not given. A can be a father या mother of D and E. And we have to find the uncle of E. Now, here it is not given whether it is a paternal या maternal uncle. They ask only for the uncle. Because the gender of A is not given, that's why they are asking for only uncle. It can be a paternal uncle या maternal uncle. So, S will be the female. It will be a aunt. And B will be a uncle. Clear? S and B and A are the siblings. These three are also siblings. Clear? A, father or mother of D and E, and B and S are the brother and sister of A. So, if they are asking who is the aunt of E, then S. If they are asking who is the uncle of E or D, is B. So, B will be the right answer. Now, question number 3. The brother of Snehansh is Rajesh. Brother of Snehansh is Rajesh. Shreya is the sister of Ritik. Snehansh is the son of Shreya. Now, Shreyansh is the son of Shreya. Shreya is the sister of Ritik. What is the relation of Rajesh with Shreya? Now, we have to find the relation of Rajesh with Shreya. Now, as Snehansh and Rajesh are the brothers, Shreya is the mother of Snehansh. So, Shreya will be the mother of, sorry. So, what is the relation of Rajesh with Shreya? One second. Brother of Snehansh is Rajesh. Shreya is the sister of Ritik. Snehansh is the son of Shreya. What is the relation of Rajesh with Shreya? Oh, sorry. Shreya will be the mother of Rajesh and Rajesh will be the son of Shreya. They are asking relation of Rajesh with Shreya. We have to find what is the relation of Rajesh with Shreya. It's a son. Getting? Now, next question. Question number 4. Pointing to a photograph of a boy, Suresh said, "He is the son of the only son of my mother. How is Suresh related to that boy?" Now, so while solving these type of question where they are pointing to a photograph, yeah, a man standing in a stage. Second. So from where we will start. He is the son of the only son of my mother. And we have to find how Suresh related to that. How we will solve that type of question? When they are pointing to someone in the photograph, yeah, standing on a stage. While solving that type of question, we will focus on that portion is my. First of all, we will start the question from my brother, my sister, his brother, his son, like that. So we will start from my. Here, pointing to a photograph of a boy, Suresh said, what said? My mother. So first of all, we will start from my mother. Means Suresh, mother. Clear? Now, he is the son of the only son of my mother. Only son of my mother. Suresh mother. Clear? And the only son of Suresh mother. Suresh himself. Clear? Suresh mother. The son of Suresh mother. So Suresh himself. Now, he is the son of the. He is the son of the only son of my mother. Only son of my mother is Suresh. He is the son. Means Suresh son. So how is Suresh related to that boy? So there is a son of Suresh. Now Suresh will be a father. How is Suresh related to that boy? Suresh will be the father of that boy. While solving these type of question, we will focus on that word, my. Clear? My mother, my sister. Clear? My father, like that. Focus on that, my. Now, next question. Question number 4. Now, you will try all the question. Question are very simple. You can easily get the answer of every question. Question number 5. Introducing a boy, a girl said, he is the son of the daughter of the father of my uncle. How is boy related to that girl? He is the son of the daughter of the father of my uncle. My uncle. Clear. First of all, we will start from my uncle. So my is used for a girl said, for the girl. The girl said, my uncle, whether it is a father or mother. And that is the brother of father or mother. It is the uncle of girl, brother of father or mother. Clear? But there will be a uncle, this brother, this person, X, will be a uncle of girl. Clear? Now this X will be the brother of the father or mother of girl. Clear? He is the son of the daughter of the father of my uncle. Father of my uncle means father of that brother. We will take it Y. He is the son of the daughter of the father of my uncle. Clear? Now, they are asking for the daughter. Who daughter? The father of uncle. Now, so the daughter of the father, it may be this one. Yeah, it may be another one. Clear? Now we will take another sister of that brother because these are the sibling. The daughter of the father of my uncle. My uncle is this one, my uncle father, this one, and the daughter of this father. It can be a sister. It can be a mother, this one. It can be a aunt of this girl. He is the son of the daughter of the this one, his son. Now, how is the boy related to that girl? Now, if they are asking for that daughter, here's a daughter now, two daughter will be there. It may be this one and it may be this one. If there is a son of that daughter, then they will be a cousin. They both will be a cousin. But options are brother, nephew, uncle, son-in-law. Cousin is not given. So they are not asking for that one. They are asking for this one. It is the daughter of the father and there's a girl. Girl's brother. Yeah, son of that mother. So these two will be a sibling and particular boy will be a brother of that girl. That boy will be a brother. Now, next question. Now, if you are getting any difficulty, if you are not getting the answer properly, then ask in the comment section. Clear? Any particular question you are not understanding, first of all, you will try. Questions are easy, not tough. But you have to apply your mind. Clear? If you are not getting the solution properly, if you are not understanding, then ask in the comment section. Clear? There is no problem if you are not getting the answer. Because you are learning. You are not sitting in the examination. First, you will learn all these things and then apply. Clear? So there is no hesitation asking any question in the comment section. If you're not feeling well while solving the question, then ask in the comment section. Next question, question number 6. Pointing to a photograph, Vajpayee said, "He is the son of the only daughter of the father of my brother." How Vajpayee is related to the man in the photograph? So we will start from my brother. Pointing to a photograph, Vajpayee said, "He is the son of the only daughter of the father of my brother." Now we will start from my. My is used for Vajpayee. Vajpayee said, "My brother." Vajpayee, brother. One second. Vajpayee said, his brother. My brother. The father of my brother. Father. Clear? The only daughter of the father of my brother. Vajpayee, brother, brother's father is only daughter. Will be a sister of Vajpayee. He is the son of the only daughter of the father of my brother. Son of that sister. How Vajpayee is related to the man in the photograph? Now the Vajpayee is the brother of that sister. The particular boy, whatever, the particular boy will be the son of that sister of Vajpayee. Now, how Vajpayee is related to that man in the photograph? It will be a nephew, no, brother, no, father, no, maternal uncle. Maternal means brother of mother. Maternal means brother of the mother. Now, come to the next question. Next question. Pointing towards a man A woman said, his mother is the only daughter of my mother. We will start from my. My mother. My is used for the woman. Woman. My mother. Woman's mother. Only daughter. Only daughter of my mother. Here's the woman. Woman's mother. Mother's only daughter. There will be only just that woman. His mother is the only daughter of my mother. His mother. His is used for that man. His mother is the only daughter. Only daughter of my mother is that woman. Now that woman is the mother of that man. Clear? First of all, you will start from my. Here, my mother, my mother. My mother's only daughter. The same woman herself. His mother. His is used for that boy. Now that particular woman is the mother of that man. Now, so how is the woman related to that man? Is a mother. Clear? Next question. Pointing to a boy in a photograph, Monica said, his sister is the only daughter of my father. So here we will start from my father. My is used for Monica. Monica, father. His sister is the only daughter of my father. Pointing to a boy in a photograph, Monica said, his sister is the only daughter of my father. Only daughter of my father. Monica's father and father's daughter. Monica herself. His sister. His sister is the means Monica. Monica is his sister. Sister of boy. So how is the boy related to the Monica's father? How is the boy related to Monica's father? Is the father of that boy. And that boy is the son of the father. Boy will be the father. Boy will be the son of Monica's father. Now, next question. Question number 9. Pointing to a person, Aman said, his only brother is the father of my daughter's father. How is the person related to Aman? Now, pointing to a person, Aman said, his only brother is the father of my daughter's father. Same, we will start from my. My is used for Aman because Aman said. What Aman said? Aman, my daughter's father. My daughter. Aman, daughter. My daughter. Aman's daughter. Aman's daughter father. Is Aman herself? Aman himself? Aman daughter. Daughter's father. So Aman himself. His only brother is the father of my daughter's father. My daughter's father. Aman's father. Father of my daughter's father. My daughter's father's father. His only brother is the brother of that person. That father of the Aman is the brother of that person. Now, my daughter's father. My daughter, father's is Aman himself. After that, the father of my daughter's father, Aman's father. Aman's father is the brother of that person. How is the person related to Aman? So, how is the person related to Aman? There will be a uncle. Yeah, we can say paternal uncle, but paternal uncle is not given, so we can say directly uncle. Only uncle. Next question. Pointing to a girl, Kirti said, "She is the daughter of my brother's wife." How is the girl related to Kirti? Pointing to a girl, Kirti said, "She is the daughter of my brother's wife." So, my is used for Kirti. Kirti, brother, wife. Clear? She is the daughter of my brother's wife. There will be a daughter. And pointed to a girl, Kirti said, "How is the girl related to Kirti?" How is the girl? So now the Kirti will be the aunt of daughter. And the daughter will be the niece of Kirti. Clear? Daughter will be the niece of Kirti. So option number second will be the right answer. Now in this video, we solve 10 questions of blood relation. Clear? Now, I also share more question of blood relation in my Telegram channel, Learning Maths. Learning Maths by Vinith Singh. Now you will solve all the question of blood relation. Now in the next video, I will prepare the question of next questions of blood relation. Clear? These are very simple question of blood relation. You will try all the question of blood relation. Then you can easily get your answer. First of all, you have to prepare the diagram. Clear? When you prepare the diagram, you can easily solve all the question of blood relation. So, today we will solve 10 question of blood relation. Now you will try other question. Now in the next video, I will prepare the questions of the blood relation. So you will try all the question of blood relation. Now in the next video, we will continue the question of blood relation. For today, thank you so much for watching the video, and you will try all the question and keep learning. So for today, thank you so much. Thank you.